At the construction site of the Xiong'an Beam Yard of China Railway No. E Bureau in Xiong'an New District, Hebei, China. After more than 5 hours of pouring work, all box girder formwork assisted the successful pouring of the box girder with the first header hole in front of the Xiongshang High. In the next step, our company will continue to provide high-quality service and technical support to provide guarantee for the next box girder manufacturing. Follow us and learn more about China's high-speed rail construction.